Would you love to move into a bungalow in Calgary? The prices are just out of sight. Did you know 20 minutes outside the city you can find a larger yard, quieter community, and save as much as $100,000? Here's an example of a beautiful bungalow in Crossfield for way under 400 grand. Want to tour this one? Open house every day. Call or text 403-826-5693 for times, or just book right here. glensamazinghousesteals.com/tour1110. Not the right one? Call me 403-826-5693 and I'll help you find the right one. Free call, never obligated to actually buy a home. My name is Glenn Heslop with eXp Realty. I practice real estate in the Calgary, Airdrie, and surrounding communities. I was first licensed almost 35 years ago. I know, a long time ago. Though I was born and raised in Calgary, I have lived in the smaller centers north of Calgary for more than 25 years, so I'm quite familiar with the area. Did you hear when I said $100,000 less? According to the latest stats from the Calgary Real Estate Board, the benchmark price for a single-family home in Calgary is now $540,900. While 20 minutes away in the town of Crossfield, it is $402,200. That's a difference of $139,700. Not bad for a 20-minute drive. That's almost $7,000 per minute. What would you do with that extra money? Take more trips to a warm tropical place? Go out and play more? Add to your investments? Speaking of 20 minutes, did you know that the Crossiron Mills Mall is just over 20 minutes from Crossfield? That's a pretty similar to the drive from Beddington or Edgemont. Want to see how far your money will go in Crossfield or other similar towns close to Calgary? I can set up a free, no-obligation tour of homes that match your wish list, and in a couple of hours you can see not only how much money you can save, but get a flavor of life in a couple of these hidden gems. The last 18 months seem to be revealing a huge trend. Many people are moving from more populated areas to less populated areas. Downtown to the burbs, suburban Calgary to smaller towns, and smaller centers to acreages. This includes places like Airdrie, Crossfield, Carstairs, even Didsbury. Are you considering a move like many others? The good news is that in this market, your home should sell really well. Find out what your home should sell for and what is available in the smaller centers, and for a price that'll put a smile on your face. Reach out to me by phone or text at 403-826-5693. It's a free call, and you're never obligated to buy anything. You can reach out to me by email at glenn@glennheslop.ca. Many are making the move outside of Calgary, and homes are selling quickly. Don't be the last to make the move.